Yes, Aman, I'm audible to you. Rupali, I'm audible to you. Rupali, Aman.
Yes,
Yeah, guys. Okay.
yes, you're
So,
audible.
yeah. So today we start next session, guys. So we are completed until the last topic. That was we are done with. Codes are available here. Okay, so here all my codes are available. TC0 company code is available. Fine. So we'll close this one and we will go with the next topic today. So we are done with the last topic that was yesterday. I told you automatic payment program. How to clear the payment of the vendor and in a one shot I showed yesterday. I cleared all the payment in a one shot yesterday. That is automatic payment program I done. Okay. So today I will begin the next topic that is we call it as a down payment instantly. Okay, so down payment, as you already know, as the name suggests, down payment. What is down payment? Down payment is nothing but a payment which we give an advance, something like that, an advance which we pay. Okay, so in SAP here we have a two type of down payments also now we need to create. One is the customer down payment, another is a vendor down payment. Two type of down payment I have now. So this two down payment FS00 ledger I should create. Okay. So for this, what I will do, I will go for SAP and I'll start doing the configurations. Go for FS00 and create down payment received or down payment made. Change your company code TCS0. So open expenses and incomes both. So 304 number is done. Next number is 305. I take here. Sorry, down payment received is an asset, not an income and expenses. It's a 07. TCS 0. Enter here. So create here. Assets comes under balance sheet. Down payment received.
The down payment, as in when we used to buy something and we give a small amount of payment, like when we used
No,
to finance.
down payment received means just like yeah, just like we advance payment is given. Okay, we receive from the customer advance payment already. Okay,
We
like
received from customer. Okay.
we received from customer. We received from
Okay.
customer. So it's received down payment received. Received from the customer comes under the asset side because it's the asset which we have with us. It is not directly income because still we not made him any kind of invoices. So
So
what
if
I'll
a
do
product
here,
is of, yeah, for example, product is of 50,000, we receive a 10,000.
yeah,
Okay.
that the entry will be. I show you that what you're telling that is entry. Entry I will tell you here. That is we have here. Here I tell you that. Now I'm just preparing the configurations.
Okay.
Now I'm doing just what are things I need to create down payment. So I'll go for asset balance sheet down payment received here. Then I'll go for control data. I will link him as a customer. From whom we receive down payment from the customer. So I will link him as a customer. Okay. Down payment received from customer. Then client takes this display. Then the short key will come here as a 031 customer number we receive from. Then create bank interest G067. So G067 G067 is my reconciliation sale. Okay. Then we have us we are created down payment received. Then here down payment paid or made. It's a liability. TCS 106. So I'll take it off here. I'll go to liability comes under balance sheet. Here I'll put it down payment as a made or a paid. We'll take it as made here. So down payment made is my here. Here I'll go. I will link him as a vendor because we make payment to the vendor. So I'll make it as paid here. Then I'll select here the vendor number 012 vendor number. Then I'll go for create bank interest field status group. I'll link G067 that is called as reconciliation account sale because we reconcile that this with the particular line item. So my first topic is completed down payment received and down payment paid. Both of them has been created here in FS00. Down payment received and paid.
So,
Yeah, tell me.
I was asking that why are we creating the ledgers? Because it's a sale basically,
Yeah,
down payment.
but we need particular accounts to make the payment. No, like the account we need to pay. See, down payment you are paid down payment. Okay,
Sir,
you are
actually,
received.
I was just relating this to the the standard half payment with this. Is it different?
No, 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 no. This is different. It is not like
Okay.
that. That is a partial payment and all those. See,
Yeah,
that is
partial payment.
yeah, that is partial payment. Down payment is different. See, I will
Okay.
tell you. Whenever customer gives you any advance amount, okay, advance amount is given you. Okay,
Okay,
partial
before
payment.
the sale.
Exactly. You're
Okay.
getting no. What you are telling partial payment and all that is that in that already invoice was
After
made.
sale. Yeah, after sale. Okay.
Yeah. So here what is happening? If customer pays you advance, you won't directly make an invoice. You are telling that after the sales is done. This is
Yes, I
before
got it.
sales. This is the before sales happening. So
Okay,
that is
got
why
it.
two ledger I need to create it here. Then what I should do now? Linking debtor to the down payment received, credit to down payment. See here, now it comes here. Who is the customer? Debtor is the customer as I told you. So I should do linking debtor to the down payment received and credit to the down payment made. For this, you need to have a path. Once the both the ledgers are created here, you should take back, you should go to SPRO, go to SFFS ING, then go for financial accounting, accounts payable, accounts payable, then go for business transaction, then go down payment received here, then go for defined reconciliation account for customer down payment here. So what I will do here, go to define reconciliation. Then you can see here the special GL account type is a down payment received as a A. This is standard given by SAP software. Okay, so this is given by standard SAP software. If you want to create your own, you can create from here. Special GL account type. So you don't have to create that. You can double click on this down payment. Double click on down payment. Then it will ask you your charts of account. What is my charts of account? TSSC. Is it right? So you can check here. It is correct. TSSC. So then give charts of account here and click on continue. Then you do linking here. Sundry debtor. The link here sundry debtor to down payment received. We got it, Aman and Rupali. This is a debtor.
Yeah.
We are receiving it from the customer because he's a customer. You got it? So you got to both link them special GL account. Then say
So can you show once again this special GL account cancellation
yeah,
configuration?
exactly. This we are doing it because when you make a down payment, it will automatically go for the debtor when you make the payment. When the customer makes a payment, when we pass the entry, no, the
Yeah.
automatically this will get reflected to this account, debtor account. Got it?
Okay.
That is why we got to do the linking. Same we should do for the down payment made. Made define alternative reconciliation amount. Vendor made is equal. Then double click on SCLGL account and down payment calculation. Double click on this. Then give the charts of account TGSSC. Continue. Then link here the opposite of that. That is nothing but down payment creditors to down payment made. Opposite 1022 to 106. Then save and enter it out. Got it? Done. So we are done with our configuration topics is completed. Customer also we are done, vendor also we are done, and linking also is done. Now comes here the payment entry. Payment entry we have payment entry. First we'll go for customer procedure. Okay, then we'll go for vendor letter. Okay, so now what I should do when the customer makes the advance payment, okay, we pass the F29 entry down payment. Okay, we make a entry, this entry, down payment entry. Okay, then we make a invoice or a bill of that down payment entry. Then we clear that down payment from here. So there are three entries: F29 down payment entry, FB70 invoice entry, F39 clearing entry.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will do now? Suppose think that customer has made a advance payment of 20,000. Okay, I'll pass that here. For that, I'll go for SAP. I'll take back. All my configuration is completed. Now I'll go for entries. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry. I'll go here. I'll go for down payment. F29 down payment. Can you see my screen, Aman, Rupali?
Yes,
Both
yes,
of you
yes,
guys?
ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll go here for F29 down payment. Then I'll give a date 23/09/2021. So company code TCS 0. What I'm doing here, down payment is received here. Post customer down payment. Customer means it's received. Which customer you are receiving it from? That customer you gotta select it here. That is I take first one. Okay. Then special GL account type. That was a A. A means down payment. Because then I linking for this. Okay. Then A link here. Then which particular you are receiving from you can take as a cash. One is a cash. How much down payment is customer is making? 20,000. Same the text follows here. Got it, Aman? Rupali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then after this thing, we should do the enter. We got to put amount as a star here and text as a plus here. Then click on item overview, display here. So once you click on display, you just see here, see here. Cash account is debit to customer account credit.
Delhi.
Dell India. Then I will post this. Document 1311 was posted company for TCS0. We'll go and display that now. So where we display, as I told you, FBL
FBL, FBL
5N.
3N,
No,
5N.
5N. For customer display 5N. Vendor
Yeah,
display 1N. GL account display 3N. Got it?
yeah.
FBL 1N is for vendor, 3N is for GL, 5N is for customer. Okay. So I'll select here all item and I will take this special GL transaction. Can you see my screen, Aman?
Yes, yes, yes,
I
sir.
should pick that one. Then select the customer to whom we are displaying it. So it will show that special GL entries also, which you have made. Then execute the function here. You will see here special GL transaction entries. What is the date? 23 today. So just check 20 it is there here. Special GL transaction is A is there here. You can say A. What
A
is the date?
stands for?
23. A is I told you no. That is for special GL indicator.
Okay,
Special GL indicator.
okay, sir.
Our entry also I given it no here this one
Okay, special GL indication. Okay.
exactly got it.
That
That
mean
is
it means it's a down payment entry.
down payment entry exactly. It is show. See
Okay.
20,000 is minus amount. Okay, that
Yeah.
means 20,000 is the payment available. Got it. So now
Yeah.
what I will do now? Okay, now what happens exactly is we can directly clear the down payment entry here. Okay, with already having the due invoices before. Okay, you can directly make the clearing. Otherwise, you can just make one invoice of that this 20,000. Okay, so I'll go for FB
क्या सर, क्या
70.
एक बार क्या बोला आपने, एक बार दोबारा बताना?
मैं क्या बोला था मानो अभी आप
क्या?
डायरेक्टली आप क्लियर कर सकती हो ऑलरेडी यहाँ
एक्चुअली द
पे
प्रोसेस, या अभी आपने डाउन डाउन पेमेंट की एंट्री है, तो अभी यूजुअली प्रोसेस ये है कि हम इनवॉइस क्रिएट करेंगे, देन उसको क्लियर करेंगे.
ये एग्जैक्टली इन्वाइस कर क्लियर करेंगे. आपको इन्वाइस बनाने का जरूरत नहीं है क्यों बोले जिसको ऑलरेडी इतने सारे बैलेंसेस है अवेलेबल पहले का. यू गॉट इट.
ओके.
पहले की इन्वाइस में बैलेंस में ही वो माइनस हो जाएगा. गॉट इट.
ओके.
तो आप यहाँ पे जब आप यहाँ पे इन्वाइस करोगे ना अभी देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा. आपने डाउन पेमेंट अभी रिसीव किया है पहले टैक्स चेंज कीजिए इसको. वो टैक्स का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो रहता है ना उसको
ओ
चेंज
बी
कीजिए.
बी जी
किसी ने
टैक्सेस.
हाँ वो किसी ने वो चेंज कर दिया है. दैट इज द रीजन इट इज गेटिंग प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पे जाके चेंज कीजिए इसको. यहाँ पे देखिए हम ये प्रोसीजर के ऊपर बना रहे हैं ना जिसके लिए अभी क्या करेंगे मैं इन्वाइस बनाता हूँ. जब भी मैं अभी इन्वाइस बनाऊंगा कंपनी कोड क्या है मेरा
टी
TCS0.
सी एस जीरो.
तो इसके बाद मैं कस्टमर यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट करूंगा इसको. फर्स्ट वन आएगा तो फर्स्ट वन सेलेक्ट करूंगा मैं इसको. देन यहाँ पे मैं डेट दे दूंगा 23/09/2021 पे. तो मैं जैसे इसको यहाँ पे अमाउंट दूंगा 20,000. यहाँ पे देखिए अगर टैक्स कर दूंगा तो यहाँ पे देखिए अवेलेबल अवेलेबल अमाउंट कुछ दिखा रहा ही नहीं है कस्टमर का. मतलब जो अवेलेबल है क्यों मतलब इसका ऑलरेडी पेंडिंग इन्वॉइसेस बहुत सारे थे. गॉट इट.
यस सर.
गेटिंग इट अमन. तो एक काम कर देते हैं इसको ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट रन कर देते हैं इसको क्लियर कर देंगे. कस्टमर का ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट रन करके इसको क्लियर कर देंगे एक ही शॉर्ट पेयर को. कितने ड्यू इन्वाइस है ना तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा इजीली. जैसे हम वेंडर को करते हैं ना उस तरह के सेम है इसको कस्टमर को करता हूँ. इसके ड्यू पेमेंट बहुत सारे हैं इसको रन कर देंगे. और दिमाग खा रहे हैं. एक्चुअली दिखाता नहीं डाउन पेमेंट अवेलेबल है करके.
ओके.
तो मैं इसको एक सब सब ड्यू पेमेंट क्लियर कर देता हूँ। सब सारे क्लियर हो गए। अब इसको चेक करेंगे। ओके, मैंने पेमेंट रन कर दिया।
यस
ओके,
सर,
अब ये
रिफ्रेश।
सारे सारे ड्यू पेमेंट क्लियर हो जाएंगे। इनको रिफ्रेश करेंगे। 22 आइटम डिस्प्ले है। मैं आपको 50 बता रहा हूँ, 50 बता रहा हूँ। जनरेट प्रपोजल, वो 20,000 उतना ही क्लियर हो गया जो मैंने ये बनाया था। अभी का जो मैंने बनाया था एंट्री, 20,000
जो
क्लियर हो गया। ये ओवर
अच्छा,
ड्यू के आइटम से थोड़े, एक मिनट रुकिए, एक मिनट रुकिए। 50 होता है, मतलब बहुत सारे पहले के भी हमारे बिल पेंडिंग है ना सारे। तो सारे बिल मिला के वो डाउन पेमेंट का दिखा रहा ही नहीं आपको अवेलेबल है करके। द रीजन इज बिकॉज इस कस्टमर को बहुत सारे ऑलरेडी एंट्रीज हो गया है। 20,000 माइनस आ रहा है। डन बड़ी, जीरो कर दिया अमन।
यस सर।
जीरो कर दिया मैंने बैलेंस। ओके,
अभी अभी एक शो हो रहा है सर।
नहीं नहीं, वो ये है
डाउन
इसका
पेमेंट है
डिस्प्ले
वो।
है वो। हाँ, डाउन पेमेंट का है 20,000। डाउन पेमेंट का है। डाउन पेमेंट का
नहीं,
10,000 माइनस हो गया।
ये
दस दस।
डॉक्यूमेंट 1710 जो है थर्ड वाला।
हाँ, वो
वन
वो वो पहले का बिल है वो, एक का जो डिस्प्ले ऑलरेडी है। ये भी ओवरड्यू हो गया है। ठीक है, लो बैलेंस एक काम कर देता हूँ, रुको। ये डाउन पेमेंट प्रोसीजर आपको मैं एक काम कर देता हूँ। सेकंड कस्टमर को ट्राई करेंगे। सेकंड कस्टमर को कोई एंट्री बनाया हमने। सेकंड कस्टमर को कोई एंट्री बनाया, चेक करेंगे। इसको ट्राई करेंगे। कोई एंट्री नहीं है इसमें शायद। ओके, आई थिंक एक दो 65,000 का बिल है। सारे कस्टमर के ही है। इसको क्लियर कर देंगे, रुको। इसमें ट्राई करेंगे।